Let's make an abstract gradient inside of Fusion. Take a S star, points down to 5, play with the depth a little bit, S transform, take down the size, and animate the rotation with a time expression. Let's go with time times 3, S render. And then we can use the output of this shape as a mask to the gradient. You can go with whatever you want. Then when you're satisfied, at a blur node, filter set to multi-box, crank up the blur size to your liking. No need to be precise here. Then add a displace node and a merge. Take this to the side. Then let's add a background. We will set it to white, like so. And plug it to the merge. Control T, switch inputs. Then let's view this. Add a background, type gradient, repeat mode to repeat. And then we change the end value like so. We'll then animate the offset value with another expression. This time we'll go with time divided by 80, which gives us this. We can then add a blur node, filter Gaussian, go around there for the blur size, and add another displace node. Set it to XY, X offset and Y offset down to minus 0.5, and go to 0.2 for the X and Y refraction. Let's put this right here. Add another background, type gradient, and this time we need it to go from the bottom up. So we will change the start and end value like so. We then take the last key, put it around the center, and duplicate the first one to put it to the end. We then get something like this. Press ping pong in the repeat setting and change the offset value with an expression. This time we will go with time divided by 30. If I play again, this is what we get. Then we add a blur node, filter Gaussian, and we need the size to be at a high number. I will go with 170 and use this as the displacement map for the first gradient. Then we add a transform right after it and change the angle to minus 45. Set the edge mode to mirror, and if I play, this is the wavy motion that we need. But you can see that we have this sharp line that we need to get rid of. In order to do this, we go back to the displace and change the sprayed value to, let's say, 15. If I play again, then let's animate the white value of the center with an expression, time 0.03, get upward motion. Let's bring the two trees together and use the gradient map that we've made as a displacement map. Let's view the result. In this display setting, change the type to XY, take down the X and Y offset to minus 0.5, then crank up the X and Y refraction to 0.5. There we have it. We change the spread value to smooth out the waves and use this blur to make the lines sharper or smoother. Hit play and enjoy.